Now the WGAL News 8 Storm Team forecast with meteorologist Ethan Houston.
Much of the valley experiencing damaging winds. Throughout the morning and afternoon hours, we will continue to see strong winds. As we go through this evening, finally they'll start to die down overnight. In addition to the threat for some strong winds this evening, could see isolated snow showers, especially for our northwestern communities. We did have a snow squall warning in effect for parts of Mifflin County. That has since expired, but you can see this band of snow moving right along the Route 22 and 322 corridor from Mifflin County into Juniata County and now into Perry County. So much of Route 322 is probably snow covered. In addition to that, may see some flurries flying right now in parts of Cumberland County near Carlisle, and on live Local 8 radars, some isolated light snow down towards Delta in parts of southeastern York County. So strong winds for all, a few flakes for some out there, and some coating snow up towards Lewistown. So we do have that wind advisory in effect for the majority of the valley until 1 a.m. And if you're watching us in Franklin County, you have a high wind warning in effect until 1 a.m. as well. Here's a look at the current wind gusts. What you need to watch out for are gusts greater than 40 miles per hour. We're experiencing that in Lancaster right now, Carlisle, not far from that right now in Harrisburg, in Selinsgrove. Once you cross over that 40 mile per hour mark, that's what could cause some problems. So this is going to continue through the evening as temperatures will hold near 30 degrees with these isolated snow showers that could coat the roadways. Finally, after midnight, the winds start to relax. It's still going to be a blustery night with gusts at 20 to 25 miles per hour, but temperatures will be chilly. Feels like temperatures will be in the teens. So here's a look at the wind gust forecast, finally starting to drop as we go into the pre-dawn hours of your Saturday. And tomorrow is just going to be a breezy day, but it is going to be a dry Saturday, and it's also going to be dry for your Sunday. Seasonally cooler with highs in the low to mid 40s for both days. Made it to 57 for the high today. That occurred early this morning as the storm moved on in and brought the rain, dropped more than half an inch of rain out at the airport. Low temperature just occurred over the past couple of hours. We'll continue to update that as we get closer to midnight. Did talk to the Weather Service, and it's officially a 67 mile per hour gust out there at Harrisburg International Airport. The highest wind gust so far this year. Lancaster Airport saw a gust of 62 miles per hour. Elsewhere across the valley, seeing gusts in excess of 40 to 50 miles per hour, like you saw in Gettysburg, up to 44 miles per hour earlier today. You can see the winds are still whipping out there in Hershey right now, 33 degrees with gusts at 39 miles per hour. We've cooled off to the 30s and yes, even the 20s if you're watching us up there in Mifflintown and Lewistown, seeing that snowfall across our northern communities. But even colder off to our west in the teens in 20s back over central and western Pennsylvania. So we'll see some breaks in the clouds, and that trend will continue as we go through the night. We'll start Saturday off with some sunshine. A little bit more cloud cover will move in during the evening hours on into Saturday night. Weak cold front approaches on Sunday, but as this front moves on by, it's just going to bring in another reinforcing shot of drier air to end the weekend. Colder weather will be around for your Monday with highs in the 30s. Could see a few spotty showers for your Tuesday. Better chances for showers will hold off, unfortunately, until Christmas Day. That's when the rain showers are likely, and we'll keep the chances for these showers around for Friday of next week as well.